Guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. I hope you're all doing well. We've got this 2017 Carrara white metallic Porsche Cayenne. It's a 3-litre V6 Platinum Edition. It's a 4-wheel drive. It's currently at 36,263 miles. It's a diesel automatic with a full service history. Absolutely gorgeous car. Perfect family SUV. Has all the bits and bobs that you need. It's got a 20-inch RS Spider design painted in the platinum satin gloss finish with the lime green brake calipers. Got front and rear parking sensors, automatic activation headlights, powered tailgate, rear privacy glass, which I'll show you in a second. And like I mentioned, it does have a full service history, which I'll just show you now. So it's had 2 services, one at 12,000 miles and one at 19,000. Its next service will be done by Volkswagen main dealer, which we're joint to. So really good service, main dealer service from us. Front and rear parking sensors, dual zone exhaust, really cool looking, definitely gets a lot of attention, especially if you were driving around. But inside the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding mechanism, open and close, BOSE premium sound system, so I've got really good sound system, storage compartment, really cool leather comfy seats with the suede. They also move electronically. As you can see, no faults in the system. It has a Porsche embossed logo as well on the headrest. It's got electronic parking brake, automatic activation headlights, 2 keys, a multifunction steering wheel with features such as Bluetooth, hands-free. There's also cruise control, gear shift paddles here on the right and on the left with the wiper indicator. It's got 36,264 miles on the clock with a digital speedometer. Moving on to the center console, it's got the tuner, which includes FM, AM and auxiliary jukebox and Bluetooth. There's the media, which you can connect your phone via Bluetooth like I mentioned. There's telephone preparation, sat-nav navigation. I'll just point it to Lancaster and I'll show you the traffic button. There you go. So sat-nav navigation is also available, and there is the traffic report system. There you go, so you don't need your phone, very handy. There's plenty more different apps. You can change the sound, and there's also different car settings. I will just show you the front and rear parking sensors working perfectly fine, as you can see. Got a little cool clock as well, just there. Moving on to the center console. Underneath it, it's got the digital dual zone air conditioning, got a little storage pocket here, all different configurations. Got front heated seats at the driver's and passenger side with 3 different settings. It's got sport mode, stop and start, traction control off, 2 cup holders with a 12-volt plug socket, a lovely leather armrest with a USB, auxiliary and USB. But yeah, really lovely vehicle to be honest. And I'll just show you the back. Back of the vehicle, it's got a storage little pocket here which opens up like that, electronic windows, storage compartment, BOSE premium sound system like I mentioned, ISOFIX preparation seats at the driver's and passenger side, plenty of leg space, a little storage pocket here on the right and on the left with 2 cup holders. There's also 2 cup holders at either side, so there's 6 cup holders, air conditioning unit with 2 USB ports, plenty of leg space, perfect family car. I'll just show you the boot. Powered tailgate, no faults in the system at all. It's got a parcel shelf which goes like that. There you go. I'll just keep it down so you can see everything. 12-volt plug socket, a few shopping hooks. Underneath that there is the AdBlue and the tyre inflation kit. But yeah, plenty of space for your bits and bobs. Perfect family car. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.